Do you have any questions about how to live longer? Fitness is the way to go after all. Doing these 5 exercises on a regular basis will help you maintain your health and live a long life. We have a tendency to forget the fundamentals in the midst of the country's rising incidence of heart disease and the COVID-19 virus. Leading a healthy lifestyle is absolutely necessary if you want to keep your entire health in good condition. It is necessary to adopt good lifestyle habits in order to live a long and healthy life. These habits mostly consist of maintaining a balanced diet and engaging in physical activity. We have provided you with exercises that have the potential to extend your life. As a result of the looming danger posed by diseases, the probability of death among individuals has considerably increased. On the other hand, due to our hectic schedules, we still have a tendency to disregard good lifestyle choices. Doing so may have an impact on your health in general. Because of this, we have devised several workouts that can assist you in living for a longer period of time. Exercise is always beneficial for one's health. Participating in physical activity is essential if you want to live a healthier life. It has even been shown to add years to your life. Walking. According to the findings of a study that was presented at the Epidemiology, Prevention, Lifestyle, and Cardiometabolic Health Conference 2021 held by the American Heart Association, walking is one of the most straightforward and risk-free methods for improving one's fitness and health, including one's cardiovascular health. The end effect is that it has the potential to make you live a longer life. Walking is something you may do while you are going about your daily routine at home if you do not have the time to stroll. Walking has many health benefits, including a reduction in the chance of developing diabetes and cancer, among other diseases. Swimming. If you want to live a longer life, swimming is an activity that you really must undertake. The activation of your entire body results in increased flexibility and strength throughout your body. Additionally, it improves your cardiovascular fitness and the strength of your muscles. As a matter of fact, if you are attempting to lose weight, swimming can be of assistance to you in achieving your weight loss goals. Overall, swimming is an exercise that works the entire body. It reduces the rate at which you age, strengthens your lungs and heart, and may reduce the likelihood that you may pass away unexpectedly. Aerobic exercises. Were you aware that aerobic exercise has more benefits than only assisting with weight loss? Stretching and strength training are both techniques that are incorporated into this type of physical activity. Among the many benefits that it offers, some of the most notable ones are the enhancement of cognitive function, the regulation of blood sugar levels, and the improvement of cardiovascular health. A recent study that was published in the journal Neurology found that engaging in regular aerobic exercise can improve your mental health, which in turn can improve your quality of life. In order to gain these benefits, all that is required is a regular aerobic workout routine that lasts between 25 and 30 minutes. Running. In all seriousness, you should make a break for it. According to the findings of a study that was published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, any quantity of running lessens the likelihood of dying from cardiovascular disease as well as any and all cancers. Running, as stated by CORE, has the potential to improve blood circulation, contribute to the development of strong bones, strengthen muscles, and assist in the maintenance of a healthy weight, hence increasing longevity. Bicycle riding. The findings of a study that was just recently published in the journal Sports Medicine indicate that individuals who commute to work or school on a regular basis by bicycle should expect to live longer and healthier lives. In the event that you are also interested in living a longer life, you may easily form the habit of using a bicycle. This is an excellent method for lowering your body fat percentage, lowering your weight, and increasing your overall level of fitness. Cycling, in point of fact, has the potential to strengthen the immune system's defenses against respiratory illnesses such as COVID-19. Dancing. You should make a move, shake your booty, and cut a rug. Dancing, regardless of the name you give it, is considered to be moderate to strenuous exercise. According to research, dancers not only enhance their cardiovascular health, but they also attain stronger muscles, improved balance, and an overall improvement in their mood. Your level of fitness will be proportional to the sort of dancing you do and the amount of time you spend doing it. According to the National Institutes of Health, the amount of physical effort that your body puts in during 1 hour of traditional ballroom dancing is comparable to that of 1 hour of brisk walking. When compared to running or swimming laps, 1 hour of salsa or aerobic dance class is more comparable to that. Using weights in resistance training. According to the National Institute on Aging, you should make an effort to maintain your strength while you are becoming older so that you may continue to perform activities such as carrying your groceries and climbing stairs. The guidelines for physical exercise state that you should engage in activities that increase strength at least twice a week, such as lifting weights, using resistance bands, or engaging in other activities that involve the usage of all of your muscle groups, legs, hips, chest, back, abdomen, shoulders, and arms. According to Jessica Gorslitz, an assistant professor of health promotion at the University of Iowa, studies that clearly link strength training to longer lives are far behind those that correlate aerobic exercises to longer lives. She claims that this is a holdover from the days when strength training was only for the Arnold Schwarzeneggers of the world. At this time, she asserts some encouraging data is coming to light. She and her colleagues conducted a study in 2022 that involved approximately 100,000 people between the ages of 55 and 74. They discovered that older adults who engaged in any form of weightlifting but did not engage in moderate to strenuous aerobic activity had a 9% to 22% lower risk of passing away over the course of a decade. People who reached aerobic criteria and lifted weights once or twice a week had a risk that was 40% to 47% lower than those who did not meet these guidelines. Physical activities that involve sitting or squatting. O'Keefe recommends attempting this test while you are lowering yourself to the floor and sitting there. Count the number of times you need to touch a hand, knee, or other part of your body in order to receive assistance. Counting again while standing up is the next step. You've just completed the sitting rising test, SRT, which has been demonstrated to have a significant correlation with life expectancy in people who are older. One of the most important studies that was conducted in 2014 found that if you have to support yourself more than twice, for example, once on the way down and once on the way up, you have a greater risk of passing away over the next 6 years on average. Those individuals who required the most assistance were at the greatest risk. Before the final scores were determined, the participants in that study were instructed to improve their performance by receiving coaching, wearing loose clothing, and competing barefoot. Additionally, no one over the age of 70 received a perfect score, which means that there were no touches that went up or down. One method to enhance your score and maybe your longevity is to practice sitting and rising from the floor, or if that is too difficult, from a chair with as little support as is required. You might also perform squats. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your toes facing forward in order to perform one. Begin by lowering yourself to a seated position, and then you should stand up. In the event that you are unsure of how to get started, she recommends that you think about enrolling in a class, working with a personal trainer, or consulting with a physical therapist. Apart from improving the quality of life, these exercises are best to reduce stress and fatigue, so make them a part of your routine today. So which exercises are you going to add in your routine now? Tell us in the comments section below and hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching.